Hey, hey, what? Ray Mack, hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill.
Hey YouTube fam, this is what we're gonna do for you guys today. We're gonna do some of the best baked honey shrimp ever that you could possibly cook in the oven. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do here, y'all, I got me some chopped parsley and I got me a little small bowl that I'm adding the parsley to. Now I have 1 lemon. I just want to go ahead and zest this lemon inside this here bowl with the parsley, because this is what we're gonna garnish up our shrimp up with at the end of this here video. So stay tuned and don't go nowhere, because if you do, you're gonna miss an awesome recipe, an awesome shrimp recipe. So after you finish zesting up this here lemon and you mixing everything together, cover it up and put it in your fridge until we get ready to use it. Now after that is done, this is what I want you to do. I want you to go ahead and grab a bowl, a nice medium-sized bowl, add in at least 1 pound of shrimp. These are medium shrimps that I'm using, and I want you to add in some cayenne pepper. I'm gonna leave the descriptions in the description below the amount of ingredients that you're gonna need for this here recipe. So I got you, all right? So the next thing I want you to do is take some of this here Louisiana Cajun seasoning and add it to the bowl as well. After that, I want you to add some soy sauce to this and go ahead and add it to the bowl. I'm telling you, y'all, you've got to try this here recipe. When I say that this is one of the best, it is. This is the star of the show, the honey. We're gonna add some honey to this. This is gonna sweeten this dish up a little bit, and I'm telling you, it's gonna balance out the salt in this here as well. So we got some extra virgin olive oil that we're gonna add to the bowl, and I'm telling you, y'all, you're gonna love it. So the next thing I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and take yourself 2 lemons. That's right, 2 lemons, all right? So I'm gonna move the bowl out of the way for you. After I move the bowl, I'm gonna place a cup right here. I'm telling you, listen to what I'm saying to y'all. I got a cup, and don't, listen y'all, go to them thrift stores and you'll find some good stuff at the thrift stores. So I found this little juice squeeze thing at the thrift store for about 15 cents. All right, so it fit perfectly over my drinking cup. So I'm gonna take at least 2 lemons and I'm gonna squeeze the juice from these 2 lemons, and I'm gonna add this to the shrimp as well, all right? And after I squeeze the juices of both lemons inside the cup, I'm gonna add it to the bowl, mix everything together. And after I finish that up, I want to allow this to sit in the fridge for at least around about 1 hour before we start doing our next step. So put your lemon juice inside. So what I did here was add just a little bit more of that Louisiana Cajun seasonings to this, all right? So now, since I let the shrimp sit in the fridge for at least around about 1 hour, I added it to a nice deep baking pan, or you could use a baking sheet for this as well. And we want to 1 layer this, okay? And I'm going to add some more parsley to this here dish, all right, because we're about to bake this. And I did clean and devein these shrimps. I want to show you a technique that I did in order, you know what I'm saying, for me to remove the vein from these shrimps. And that'll be in another small 1-minute video for you guys, showing you how I really devein shrimp. All right, so now I'm going to spread these out into 1 layer, I said it again, I'm gonna say it again, 1 layer, just like this. And then I want to go ahead and turn my oven on to preheat my oven to about 450 degrees. I want this to stay in the oven for at least around about 8 to 10 minutes. That's it. Once the 8 and 10 minutes is up, I want to take them out and I want to dress them up on the plate. After you dress these up on the plate, don't forget that juice, because the juice is key to this here recipe. Take the juice and spread it on top of these here shrimp. Make sure you got a plate that can hold that juice, all right? And if you try this recipe, trust me, y'all, I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. Grab you some French bread, or you could use you some white bread, you know what I'm saying? Whatever kind of bread of your choice to sop up this here juice, and I guarantee you, you're gonna love it. And make sure you get that cocktail sauce, because the cocktail sauce is going to be needed for this here recipe. If you love this recipe, you like this recipe, subscribe to my channel. Now, if you're able, please check out some of my merch, my t-shirts. And also, I want to say thank you so much for watching this here video. I really do appreciate it. Also, subscribe to my channel by clicking on my photo right now. All right, and look at these here videos as well. Comment below, let me know what you think about it. Give it a thumbs up. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.